to be so trusting. Especially with the likes of Jenny.
Why? Akala ko ba okay na kayo? Bakit bumalik ulit sa umpisa, Mom? Did she do anything, si Jenny? Or even Tita Menchie?
Listen, I've been in the business for so long. Hanggang ngayon, naluloko pa rin ako. I don't want you to trust anyone. Not your bandmates, not your friends, not Jenny. Ang lalim na ng history. I'm sure hindi na maaayos yun.
Please tell me so that I can understand.
Gusto mo ba talagang malaman?
Yes, Mom. I want to know.
Manloloko ang nanay ni Jenny. You've seen her. Nang scam siya, hindi ba? Ganun na talaga siya noon pa. Even before, she was my friend. Pero niloko niya ako. Akala ko makakalimutan ko. Pero hindi pala ganun kadali. Megan, gusto ko mag-ingat ka. Huwag kang magpapadala. Lalong-lalo na sa Jenny na yon.
Mom, totoong friend si Jenny. She proved it. Nung pinagtanggol niya ako sa mga magnanakaw.
Kahit na, anak pa rin siya ni Minchie. At si Minchie, isa siyang tuso. Isang ahas. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Kung nagawa sa akin ni Minchie yun noon, kayang-kaya niyang gawin ni Jenny sa'yo yun ngayon. Don't let Jenny steal what's yours, Megan. Ang kasikatan, ang karangalan, pati pangalan mo.
Mom, that's crazy. Hindi maaagaw ni Jenny yung pangalan ko.
You don't know them like I do, Megan. That's why I'll do everything